Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai pi baro kini gilong ki khobor bam dagasni. Commentary katnar ki kamrap ka kwat ka kya kala play bar aijin kershani ka Bethany Society halor ki kamba bha jongati ka society ka blak loy ban knerti ban ai kam bar aijin hikai ki khna samla ki badan ka wei pat ka benta jong ka san dur balabu daublay. Yagate ka program la pelong men ha ka khan rutrik ujemang arajar arpulai ha Bethany Society ha ka jingelang ka belingkot bala penyat da ka kong bertha ji dekhar. Kakamba bhajong ka Bethany Society ki samla wat kam da ka jing ai jing hikai ha ki bun ki benta jong ka kam kasap ka jong ki lingba ka yo kam yo jam. Ya ka ka jing ai jing hikai ka badan Ruben Island ter ya ka bala baiting ka da ka North East Center for Technology Application and Rich Nectar. Ki khana ki badan jing duna ha ki dkhot bar ki bala yo jing hikai ha ka lan core computer ka ba shimti da ka Bethany Society ban hikai ya ka ba kila yo ya ka certificate. Kinong penya jeng ka Bethany Society ki bala pediang bhakat ki bawan ai jing snobha ya ka bala yalam ban kner ya ka jing hikai do Executive Director Bethany Society Dr. Karmo Noranha. Scrap 3 Bethany Society Dr. Arun Kumar Sharma Director General North East Center for Technology Application and Reach Nectar, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India Trainees of Foundation Course in Computer and Employability.
Technology Application. Everybody. Years and a great supporter of disability movement.
And Dr. Arun Kumar Sharma with his team. We will collaborate further to see how best we can make sure that these efforts result in actual job placements of young people, because you can train people as much as you want to, but if you can't really start giving them opportunities to work, then that expectation and that longing becomes even more painful for these young people who, despite their disabilities, have gone ahead and have said that we will also learn the technology of computer to enable us to work. So, government now, by various interventions, including that of the advisory of the courts, say that we must ensure that the quota of jobs for people with disability is something that government begins to look at very seriously. Now we are faced with this reality where governments will not, or rather where governments will be disallowed to ignore this population of individuals who come from this deprived community. So now how do we ensure that this is again taken in letter and spirit to these individuals? And despite all the difficulties, the government of Bangladesh now is being forced to look at a roster which will give opportunity even to people with disabilities to be there in the compulsory creation of opportunities. So this is again something that we are now being tasked with, and we are going to look into this, and we are going to ensure that we fulfill our obligations. And I was just wanting to know from Mr. Arun, Dr. Arun here, what is the additional software that needs to be made available for people with visual impairment or with hearing impairment, so that we can help access this software and have them also in markets, or if they're not already in markets, at least if they are already in markets, at least how can we have this software delivered to these young people so that they can also